Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. We're inside my 370Z again, and it's been quite a while since I filmed a video. I know that you guys are seeing videos go out every single week, but those were pre-recorded 3 months out. That's typically what I do, is 3 months out I just record a bunch of videos and then have them scheduled to post. It's just easier with me being a student and working full-time. It's just a lot to handle. Filming, doing school, and working full-time. It's just a lot. So that's why I have not been actually filming, but you guys have still had content. But now, today, I believe, is May 7th when I'm recording this, and my semester is over now. So it's summertime, so I have more time to film. Although I am working full-time still, so I'll still be busy with that, but I will be able to hopefully create more videos for you guys surrounding this car, because I found that a lot of my audience really enjoys this car. So this is my 2016 370Z, if you guys have not seen it. Currently we are at 47,875 miles. Car is running great. I actually installed an oil catch can recently, which I will make a video about. It's in the engine bay, but I have not gotten around to making a video yet on that. At some point I will, maybe the next time I go out and film. I don't think I'll do it today, but this is my 2016 370Z, and it's kind of my baby. You know, it's a great car. I highly recommend getting a 370Z if you can afford to do so. I bought this car with 15,000 miles, so as you can tell, I've driven it quite a bit so far, but it's an awesome car. I really enjoy it. It's modified, so it's not stock, although on the outside it's mostly stock, with the exception of some lighting upgrades on the outside. But I am trying to kind of go for a what they call like a stock plus kind of look, meaning that the majority of the car on the outside looks stock, but there's some goodies on the inside. So basically I have intakes, and then a custom tune by Z1 Motorsports. I've got an Axeback exhaust, and a couple other things on the car aesthetic wise, spacers and stuff like that. So good tires, Michelin Pilot Sports, they've never let me down. Amazing traction, by the way, on these tires. I highly recommend them. I made a video about it, so you might want to go check that out if you want more information on it. But yeah, this is my car, you know, and I really enjoy it. Sorry for the mess in the back. It's just kind of the way things are right now. I picked up some new supplies for the car for car show season. So I've got cleaning supplies for the wheels outside, anything that may land on the paint, from, you know, birds and debris and stuff like that. I've got cleaners for that. Interior cleaner I have as well. I'm pretty sure I need to change my cabin air filter, because if you look like up here, for instance, you might be able to see like some dust up there. No matter what I do, it always comes back. So I have a feeling it's my cabin air filter that needs to be changed, that it's dirty and blowing stuff around. Because even like up here, like I clean this regularly, and you can see right here there's dust on there. So I'm gonna have to do something about that for car show season here. I will be I plan to be posting a video about the car shows that I'll be going to, but the video is not going to be like a vlog style like this. It'll just be kind of dash cam footage from the car show, and that's pretty much it. So just like, if you're curious, you know, what people thought of the car or whatnot, there's footage. I have a dash cam, it's always recording, and yeah, we'll just kind of see if we can get some cool reactions or something like that. But yeah, today's video, I really did not have a plan for today's video. I just kind of got on the camera and just started shooting. I need to do more videos, I know that, because I am still like, sorry, I'm watching this trash can right here. I don't want that thing to blow over with the wind and throw stuff at me. But I need to do more content. I need to film more because I used to film all the time, and I've kind of lost that touch that I used to have when I was filming. So I want to regain that, and I'm hoping that over the summer I'm able to do that. There is something that I have planned for the end of the summer. However, it might change into fall. I'm not sure. So there's something I have planned, a special video for you guys, that involves this car, but also like something else as well. Like it's like this car plus something else, and it's gonna be a really cool video to shoot, but it's not happening yet, so you just have to wait. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure to subscribe down below. If you guys want to check out my Instagram as well, you're welcome to. It should be linked in the description as well. But my Instagram is where I post a lot of content regarding my car. So if you want to see the installs I do on my car, what the car is currently looking like, I do photo shoots of it and whatnot, or any car shows that I go to, I do photo shoots there as well. So if you want to see more photo related content, go to my Instagram. As far as the video content goes, stick on YouTube on here. But yeah, you know, this car has been a great car. I honestly don't know what I would do without it, you know. Like I feel like once the miles go up and the car is starting to run kind of bad, like I feel like this car is the one car that I would just drop a new engine into it and then just keep going, because this car has been very, very reliable. Although, you know, I've put some mods on it and got some custom tunes on it that like made it kind of different, you know, and it made things a little bit harsher as far as the shifting and stuff like that, but it was tuned that way on purpose. So I'm just kind of crossing my fingers it lasts a long time. It should be fine because I'm going through a reputable tuner, so I think it'll be good. But yeah, you know, bought this car at 15,000 miles. I'm slowly approaching 50,000 miles, which is just insane to me, because my previous car, my Subaru that I had, I traded that in. The wind is blowing that thing up right now, but I traded that in, and I think it was the miles were at like 86,000 miles or 68, something like that. 68, 86, don't recall exactly which one it was. I think I'm leaning more towards 68, but this car is almost at 50, and you know, I've done a lot to it maintenance wise. That's something that's very important to have the car last a long time. So I've gotten the rear differential fluid changed, I've got the transmission fluid changed, the oil changes I always do early. So, you know, this car should last a long time. That's what I'm trying to set it up to do. In fact, I have a coolant flush scheduled here next week. So the coolant, this car is a 2016, so currently it's 2023, and I don't believe the coolant has ever been changed on it. So I'm needing to get that done. So I ordered some coolant, OEM coolant from Nissan, but I ordered it from Z1 Motorsports, so it got here faster. So I'm ready to go for that. But I think after the coolant, I think as far as maintenance is concerned, I think the car will be set for quite a while, because the coolant, you know, honestly, that coolant can last another 50,000 miles at least. In the owner's manual, it says 105,000 miles, and although I'm at only 47,875 miles, it's very important to do it off of time as well. So it has been 7 years, that's what the manual says, so it's time to get a flush and get new fluid in there. So that's what's going on with the car right now. A little bit of an update on things. Yeah, this video I wanted to keep kind of centered around the car. As you can see, I'm sitting here at the park, killing some time, honestly, because I have to go to work here at 9, so I'm just kind of just waiting, letting the dash cam charge up as well, because this thing died on me. The battery pack for this thing, it died on me, and I'm working a very long shift today, and I needed a charge. So, but with all that being said, thank you for watching. Hopefully you took something away from this and you're excited for future plans with this car. I'm not done yet, but it takes money to mod a car. So I'm currently at a standstill, but we'll get there. Just working on some other things in my life that I need to focus on. Don't really have the ability to put a lot of money into this car at the moment, but eventually we'll get there. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for future videos about my Z. But with all that being said, see you in the next one.